I know that I'm failing, my life's a living hell, but I'm still young, so only time can tell. I'm 14, spitting millions, dope tracks, making millions, dope raps, I've seen it. One day I will never be defeated, I mean it. Through mental habilitation, deep dedication to sound, which is my fate, man. Notice how I made it in the stormy weather. I kept my composure, gotta keep it all together. As these raindrops touch my skin, I will get up and fight to win. As these raindrops touch my eye, I will not stop until I'm dead. These raindrops, oh, these raindrops, oh, these raindrops, these raindrops, these raindrops, oh, these raindrops, oh, these raindrops, these raindrops. I'm still going to reach the top. You try to take me down, but I guarantee I will never stop. Impossible. What I do is illogical. You block my way, and I can't get any obstacle. Some people say that it's absurd. 14 ripping the track, I'm going to show depression right into perception pause. I gained it all that I need, and I concede it. I just want you to believe it. These raindrops, oh, these raindrops, oh, these raindrops, these raindrops. These raindrops, oh, these raindrops, oh, these raindrops, these raindrops. As these raindrops touch my skin, I will get up and fight to win. As these raindrops touch my head, I will not stop until I'm dead. Look, I can't vision the great for my life when I'm in this condition. Pain as a loser, I was a beautiful. All the elementary, the teachers were against me. I was never smart enough to realize the lies, and they said everything will be fun. But I used the lies as determination and motivation, deep dedication. As these raindrops touch my skin, I will get up and fight to win. As these raindrops touch my head, I will not stop until I'm dead. These raindrops, oh, these raindrops.